This demonstration will help you add a new contact to your address book on an Android phone. Depending on what type of phone you have and what version of Android you may be running, it may look slightly different in getting there, but the process is ultimately the same. If you're on a phone that has Android 2.1 or 2.2, you'll have an icon that looks similar to this, the phone icon. It may be here on your home screen. It may be down as part of this bottom widget. It may be in your app drawer. You may have to open your app drawer and scroll until you find the phone icon. Either way, go ahead and open that. It should take you to a screen like this. This is not inclusive of phones that run with HTC's Sense UI, nor is it inclusive of the new Droid X or the Droid 2 that run the Ninja Blur. So from here to add a contact, you've got a couple options. You can just immediately dial the number that you'd like to save. And then press this plus button. And then create a new contact. From here you'd enter in the information, first name, last name. You'd select what type of phone that is. Is it a home phone? Is it a mobile phone? A work phone number? A fax number? Choose that option. For this person, if they have an email address, you can enter that in here to save their email with your file. Also, street address, the company or organization they work with, and if you tap on the More button, you can add other things as well. Notes about this person, who they are, how you met them, business contact, personal friend, instant messaging addresses, nickname. You can add a website if they have a site that you need to check out. So quite a plethora of information you can save in a contact here. You'll also notice this shows up at the top as a Google contact, which just simply means it's going to back this contact's information up to your Google account, to your Gmail account. We're not going to actually finish completing this one, but I wanted to show you the way in which you'd create it from your dialer screen. So if somebody gives you their number and you type it in here on the spot, use the plus button down at the bottom to add that. Alternatively, you can add a contact by using the Contacts tab at the top. Once you've loaded the Contacts tab, press the menu button on your phone and look for where it says New Contact. Again, this screen should look familiar. This is what we just saw. The process is the same. You've got your contact's name, phone number, type, email address, street address, company, just as before. I'll show you on this section, though, how you can add multiple phone numbers. So let's say that you put somebody's home phone number in this section. You'd save that as their home number. And then let's say you also want to save their cell phone number on the same record. The green plus button here will add a second phone field to the contact record. So you could have a home phone number for that person as well as a cell phone number. And if you wanted to add even yet another number, press the green plus button again, and you can store quite a few numbers here. You could have a work number and an other. Maybe they have two cell phones, or maybe they have a work number and a fax number. Whatever the case may be, this contact record will give you space to add those numbers. The same is true for email address. If you have someone who uses multiple email addresses, maybe one for personal use and one for work, again, just press the green plus button to add a second email field to store that address. Once you've got all the information entered just as you like it, press Done to save that contact. That's going to do it for today. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Other than that, this is Mike from ICT Droids, signing off. Have a great day.